Let me take you on an adventure to Fossil Falls. You will not find fossils nor falls, but that is okay. What you will find is one incredible locale, just a mile or so off U.S. Highway 395, between the don't-miss towns of Lone Pine and Inyokern. There is so much to see and do in this region. This rewarding stop will likely become one of your favorite unusual hikes. The stark, sharp black rock and the baby blue skies create a fabulous combination to satisfy your adventure meter. Travel across America with me. Take a back road drive to see the way back to U.S. Highway 395 at the end of this video. Take a back road drive to see an amazing sunset at the end of this video. South of Red Cinder Mountain, which you see is a perfect cinder cone, follow the signs to the parking area for Fossil Falls. Take a back road drive to see a historic corral at the end of this video. Take a back road drive to see an abandoned house of this video. The cool lava flow of Fossil Falls does not contain fossils or falls. Instead, the name refers to the fossilized lava flow. Rough, sharp boulders line the top of the smooth chasm walls. We climbed all around this shiny canyon of sorts, finding a few geocaches on the top of and down below during our first visit. We like this place so much that we have returned 2 more times. Should you be adventuresome, there are a few ways down into the chasm. You can get below by scrambling, descending on ropes, or by traveling a back road that leads into the mouth of the chasm. The entrance to the back road is located just south of the main road off U.S. Highway 395. Experienced backroaders will figure this out. We spotted this way inside on our last visit, but did not have time to drive the back road to explore a different aspect of this gem. Now I have a reason to return a 4th time. One of my sayings is, every time you go back somewhere, you peel another layer of the onion. There is a large parking lot to access the trailhead. If you want, sign the trail register. We always do. I think this helps the BLM know how many people visit and allows for funding to maintain significant sites such as these. As you explore the views from the bluff top trail, imagine hot, red lava flowing and eventually cooling to form this glassy and beautiful black rock known as basalt. This is what you see today at this geological wonder. While on this adventure, pretend that you hear water running through the chasm. Picture swirling crystal clear water racing through and captivating waterfalls running through this amazing rock formation. The signage states that the Owens River once flowed nearby. I have mentioned in other videos how William Mulholland stole the water from the landowners of the Owens Valley to create the aqueduct that diverts water from Owens Lake and Owens River to provide water to Los Angeles. The snowmelt, which is the chief water supply, flows from the Sierra Nevada mountains, and these mountains create the incredible backdrop. As you look to the west, most people see the Sierra Nevada range from the national parks on the western flank of this gorgeous mountain chain, but a privileged few are graced with the beauty of the eastern Sierras. This flat, half-mile trail winds among volcanic outcrops to the top of a water-polished 40-foot dry waterfall. There are 2 tiers of the Fossil Falls. The second tier is nearly 200 feet below the first. You can see them by walking along the edge of the gorge. But be careful, the falls are near the top of a steep cliff and the ground is uneven, so wear sturdy shoes. No flip-flops. Well, I'm not saying. Fossil Falls is administered by the U.S. Department of the Interior, Bureau of Land Management. This site is an archaeological district on the National Register of Historic Places and is managed to protect the vast expanse of human history represented here. You are invited to explore these traces of the past, but be sure to leave them undisturbed, so that those who come after you may share the same sense of discovery. As you walk the web of trails, you will also see red rock called scoria, which is also a result of volcanic activity. Leave me a comment telling me what you think of this place. Fossil Falls is a don't miss stop. I suggest planning a minimum of an hour. If you have the time, I would recommend closer to 2 hours. I seriously doubt you will regret the time spent. Rock climbers will spot the anchors perched at the edge of the cliff alongside the trail. You will want to wear hiking boots or some type of sturdy shoes if you are not experienced walking in this type of terrain, and if you want to explore a lot. It just makes better sense. Try to plan another hour to drive the back roads around the stunning cinder cone, which lies just to the north. You really can't get lost as you drive around the cinder cone. Just aim for the west side of the cinder cone and you will find your way back to U.S. Highway 395. Relax and enjoy the desert drive. One sultry June evening, when we exited the falls via Cinder Cone Road, we experienced the most dramatic, sweeping sunset we have ever seen. Another afternoon, we walked around the abandoned corrals and a house. Hey, Gabe, Thanks for the sunglasses. Do y'all like the retro 80s sunglasses that my friend Gabe gave me? All a part of this incredible adventure. Hiking boots on the ground. Unclassic road trip. There is so much to explore in this region. I hope that you will check out my Hikes and Byways in National and State Parks playlist for more don't miss adventures nearby. Speaking of nearby, there is primitive camping for those of you really adventuresome folks. Please subscribe and share this video with at least one person.